2022 Kia Seltos rumors, redesign. At first glance, the Seltos seems to be a reduced in stature version of the Kia Telluride. That's a strong compliment, as the 7-passenger Telluride SUV is one of the most attractive car vehicles. Like the larger mid-sized Elder, the new subcompact crossover maximizes the styling attributes of the Kia, with the signature Hurimo nose grille taking center stage tone settings for sporty, stylish, and sophisticated. The bold line of characters and the shoulder muscles allow the Seltos to stand out from the crowd, which makes it appear larger than the measuring show, but the aerodynamics have not yet been forgotten. Crossover small wind cheats with low 0.33 drag coefficient, said Kia. In tweener classes, entrants are an affordable price or as close to being affordable as mainstream subcompact offerings, but larger in size than they are. Most are not all that interesting, with the exception of a rough Subaru, which seems like it can inspire anyone to replace their entire wardrobe with a piece of the outdoor lifestyle and to get a dog companion. The Seltos are obviously more urban in the theme, but successfully emerging upscale and handsome, two descriptors no people on their right mind will apply to the Nissan Rogue Sport or Jeep Compass. 2022 Kia Seltos engine. Kia offers Seltos globally with 3 different engines, displacement and fuel types depending on region and market. The standard model is equipped with a 2.0-liter engine, 4 cylinders, fed new gasoline, 147 HP/132 lb-ft. Optionally in the overseas market is a 1.6-liter, 4-cylinder, turbo diesel, 134 HP/236 lb-ft, which is more fuel efficient at the expense of acceleration. Familiar to US buyers is an optional 1.6-liter turbocharged, 4-cylinder, gasoline-fed TGDI engine, 175 HP/195 lb-ft, that is also mounted for the Kia Optima Model 1.6T. Both gas engines are headed to the US market. The standard 2.0-liter engine is the stretched for continuous variable transmission, CVT, while the turbocharged engine is stretched for a 7-speed dual-clutch transmission, DCT. The front-wheel drive, FWD, is standard, with an optional all-wheel drive, AWD. Seltos style is not a coincidence. Kia is required to divide the gap between the smaller Soul, which is a naughty and stylized box, and a somewhat ambitious style of the compact Sportage, and do so without creating anything boring. While Seltos certainly don't push any boundaries, it manages to seem bigger than that, winning, we figure, and smoother. The rear of the vehicle, in particular, wears a laced sheet metal and a bold backlight that gives the impression of the substance, while the front line of the feature that looks precisely delivers a technical and mature vibe. The strange upper-class flavor extends into the hinterland, which does not take a big risk, stylistically, but as it comes off as well cooked and nicely assembled. In order to ensure a sporty, yet comfortable, ride, the engineers equipped fully independent suspension, with a beam axle torque combined on the back of the FWD model. The use of an AWD model is more sophisticated independent suspension at the rear. Electric steering assisted, with 16-, 17-, and 18-inch tires/wheels packages offered. The sidewalk weight ranged from 3,000 to 3,200 pounds. The Seltos are slightly heavier than Honda's HR-V but are lighter than Jeep Renegade. 2022 Kia Seltos price. With larger sizes comes a greater cost. The 2022 Seltos is expected to start around $22,000, almost $4,000 more than the most expensive Hyundai Kona. However, it is not entirely out of line between the subcompact crossover. That number also ensures that Kia cuts off almost every compact SUV available, including Sportage, if only. With a handful expected of the latest safety equipment, including automatic emergency braking, adaptive cruise control, blind spot monitoring, and other bacon saver offered, Seltos examines each box for small crossover buyers. We have to wait and see when we drive if there are some hidden spices inside. After all, the more flamboyant Hyundai Kona drives rather well, a trait we hope to bring to Seltos when it continues to be sold in early 2022.